what's up? I hope you're great. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anne, and on this video, before we continue, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Hit the bell notification bell. Make sure you comment down below. Please like this video because it's gonna support this channel and also help YouTube know that people are actually liking this video. Okay, so I recently learned excuse me, how to make an illusion of a fuller head, a head full of hair. Okay, so as you can see, these are twists, kinda loose twists. I'm gonna turn so that you see the back of my head is different from here. Okay, so this is how my back is looking like. You notice the difference. There's a lot of space and the twists are thin. I hope that's clear now. Yeah. So let me turn. So as you've seen, my back is different from this part of my head. It's because this part of my head I've done loose twists, and that is what I want to show you guys how to do. I will unravel I think two of them, so that I show you guys how to go about it. So this will make people think that you have a lot of hair on your head, whereas you actually don't have so much. For the people who don't have so much hair, so let me just unravel this so that you see. As you can see, it's thin hair. Okay, so just going to have two strands of hair, two portions or two parts, just like that. And then right at the base we're going to do a very tight normal twist. So let me do that. A normal excuse me, a normal twist. So 1, 2, 3, and maybe a 4th one. Make sure that it's very tight so that it holds the base. Okay, and then when you get down there, you're going to bring your hands down to the ends like this, and then you're just going to be layering your hair as loosely as possible, like that. So when we are done doing this part, when we release this hair, it's going to look as if it's loose and full. So you'll see that when I let go of this part of my hair. So when you get to the end, you're going to do it very loosely, but then when you get to the end, make sure it's tight so that it doesn't unravel as quick, because if you just make it as loose as the middle part of the hair, then it will not last. And then you twirl around your finger to seal that. So like that. See, there's some difference between this part and this part of the hair. Let me unravel another one. Let me unravel this. So what you do again, right at the base, you're going to do a excuse me, a tight twist, just as normal as you do a normal twist. 2 and a 4, and then you bring your hands back to the end of your twist, and then you do this, like you're placing one part of the hair just on top of the other, just like that. And guys, that is how you achieve loose twist, and that is how you make an illusion of fullness of your hair. As simple as that. That is it. Can we do another one last one? Let me unravel this. I hope you're gripping the trick. So again, from the roots, you hold it tight. Make sure it's as close as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you bring your fingers down, and then you do this as loosely as possible. And as you get to the end, you tighten the twists, and at the further end you twirl, twist and twirl, and that is it, guys. So after some time they're just going to pull up and look like this. So that is it, as simple as it looked. So yeah, you notice the difference. I hope you've learned something. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
Say what you want.